The LG washing machine's error code indicates that the washer is unable to fill with water. This code is triggered when the water fails to adequately fill the tub to the required level within the specified time. Several common causes can lead to this issue, including a pressed or bent water supply hose, which prevents the tub from filling with the correct amount of water in a timely manner. A damaged or broken fill valve can also cause the error code to be displayed, as the valve's failure to open properly prevents the machine from receiving enough water. Additionally, issues with the electronic controller can activate the error code, as a malfunctioning control board can prevent other parts of the machine from functioning properly. To resolve the error code issue, inspecting the water supply hose is a good starting point. Check the connection of the hose and unfold it if it is pressed or bent. Checking the fill valve is also necessary. Restart the washing machine. Open the stop valve, and check if the fill hose is clogged. If the fill valve is damaged, it may need to be replaced. If the issue persists, the electronic controller should be checked by unplugging the machine, removing the panel, and disconnecting the coil wires to examine the electronic module. Cleaning the module may also be helpful, but if it still malfunctions, replacement may be necessary. If none of these solutions resolve the issue, the washing machine may require repair service from a professional team.